Then the textbook asks us in question D to put a yellow triangle onto a grid. It asks us to choose a center of rotation and rotate it a quarter turn clockwise. Then draw the image. I have chosen this rotation point, and this is the triangle. I've used the same triangle as we used in the very beginning. I mark a reference point on a vertical line so that I can compare my second image to the first image. I'm rotating it along that rotation point and clockwise in the direction of the hands of a clock. And this is my final location if I turn it 1/4 turn. The textbook for question E asks us to choose a different rotation point and rotate the second triangle that we created. And so I'm going to take away the first triangle. I'm choosing a rotation point right here, and I'll rotate it along for 1/4 turn clockwise. And here is my second triangle down here on the bottom. And this is not considered 1/2 turn because we used 2 rotation points. So that's really important to remember. In question F, they ask us to repeat parts D and E but in reverse order, and the question is, do you get the same final image? Explain. And the answer for question F is no. The final images would be in different positions because the order of these rotations does matter. When you change your rotation point, then you will affect the order of these triangles, and it will not end up being the same image. For question D, Tara's reflections, it says to repeat, Tara says, I'll get the same image if I rotate the yellow triangle 1/2 turn instead of reflecting it twice. The question asks us, is she correct? And explain your thinking. So what she's going to do is, instead of reflecting, she wants to know if she can rotate and get the same image. In this case, she is right. She can get the same image. This is how she does it. She's going to reflect this image, and she reflects it again, and it ends up here, just like in our first example. I'm going to create a rotation point that's right in the middle there. If I rotate the first triangle along this rotation point, you'll see that it ends up in the exact same position. So for this example, it is true that Tara can rotate and she can reflect, and she will get the same answer. That's the end of lesson 4, combining transformations of the same kind. We'll see you in class tomorrow.